ready?
Yeah, I think it's all ready.
Oh, it's... Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Mr. Potato Head.
Mr. Potato Head, who?
I meant interrupting cow.
Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Camera though.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow, who?
Fast.
I'm ready.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting cow, who?
Moo.
Remember, you're going to interrupt me when I say interrupting cow who. You're going to say moo while I'm saying cow.
I'm not going to do that one. It's going to be sillier than that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it.
No. Okay, no. Never mind. Hi.
You're going to blow me a kiss?
Moo.
Moo!
My name's Interrupting Cow.
Really? How do I know?
Moo. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cow.
Interrupting cow who?
Moo.
Whoops, you forgot to interrupt me that time, huh?
Ugh.
Are you comfortable yet?
I'm comfortable.
Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, you've got your game face on now, huh? Okay. You start.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cow. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cow.
Interrupting cow. You're funny.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cow.
Interrupting cow.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting Cow.
Interrupting cow. Who?